Today we are going to draw a happy flower together. Get your paper and your crayons or markers ready. Let's start. First, draw a big circle right in the middle of your paper. Make it nice and round, like a big cookie or a balloon. Take your time. Slow and smooth. Great job! Now let's draw two big eyes inside the circle. Draw one eye on the left and one eye on the right. Make them big and round so our flower looks cute and friendly. Perfect! Now let's draw a happy mouth. Start by drawing a big curved line under the eyes. Make it like a rainbow shape going up. This is the smile. Nice and wide so your flower looks super happy. Now draw two curved eyebrows above the eyes. Make them like little rainbow shapes. This will help your flower look happy and cheerful. So nice! Now let's draw the petals around the face. Start at the top of the circle. Draw one long, rounded petal. Keep drawing more rounded petals all around the circle. Go all the way around until the flower is full of petals. Try to make them big and soft, like oval shapes. Now let's draw the stem. Under the flower's face, draw two straight lines going down. Connect them at the bottom. That makes the stem. On the left side of the stem, draw a big leaf shape. Start from the stem, curve out, and come back in. Beautiful! Now do the same thing on the right side. Draw another big leaf. Now your flower has two lovely leaves. Now it's time to color your beautiful flower. Get your crayons, markers, or colored pencils ready. First, let's color the petals. Use a bright yellow color, like the warm sunshine. Carefully color each petal one by one. Try to stay inside the lines, but it's okay if you go a little outside. Just have fun! Next, color the stem and leaves. Use green, like fresh grass in the park. Color it all the way down. Use the same green, or maybe a different shade of green. Make them nice and bright and full of life. Wow, look at your colorful flower. It's bright, happy, and beautiful, just like you. Wow, look at your flower come to life. Hello, happy flower. Look how it smiles and gently sways in the breeze. Its bright yellow petals shine like the warm sunshine. Can you wave hello to the flower? It's so happy because you drew it. Let's watch it dance. Sway left, sway right, bounce, bounce. Great job, little artist. Your beautiful flower is alive and smiling, just for you. We love helping children learn through fun and creativity. If this video made your child smile, parents, please subscribe to support our channel. Your support truly helps us grow and bring more joyful learning moments to families like yours.
Flower that we found.